An oscilloscope, formerly known as an oscillograph, is an instrument that graphically displays electrical signals and shows how those signals change over time. Engineers use oscilloscopes to measure electrical phenomena and quickly test, verify, and debug their circuit designs. The measuring instrument can display several types of waves, which can be classified into sine waves, square and rectangular waves, step and pulse shapes, sawtooth and triangle waves, synchronous and asynchronous signals, periodic and non-periodic signals, and complex waves. The horizontal mode panel of an oscilloscope serves the purpose of controlling and adjusting the time-based horizontal axis of the oscilloscope's display. It allows users to set the time division scale, which determines how quickly the waveform is displayed horizontally, aiding in the precise measurement and analysis of time-related parameters in electronic signals. Users can also use this panel to trigger the oscilloscope to start capturing waveforms at specific points in time or events of interest, enabling detailed examination of signal behavior, such as waveform shape, frequency, and phase relationships, making it an essential tool for various electronic and electrical measurements and diagnostics. Thanks for watching this video.